voice, Dale Earnhardt Jr. But this is truly an historic first. A sitting United States president